Welcome to my video of the Oneplus 6T unboxing. This is my third OnePlus phone, the others being the OnePlus 1 and the OnePlus 3. The boxing it comes in is quite cheaper looking than the other two, especially the OnePlus 1 box. On the front, it promotes that the phone is community built by including a definition of community, while on the sides it says OnePlus 6T and unlock the speed. The back has the same definition and the phone's info. Once the box is open, you'll see the advertisement for the in-screen fingerprint display. I'll be taking the phone out and putting it to the side. Next you can see a white plastic casing to keep the phone protected while in transit. Once we get the box open, you'll see a black rubber TPU case that comes with the phone, and you'll see a cardboard container containing some of the instruction manual, SIM tool stickers, and a couple other documents that I didn't really take too close of a look at. Next, we've got a letter from the CEO. I suggest pausing the video to read it.
What pretty.
Next we see the USB-C charger, which is the iconic OnePlus Red. Unfortunately, it is the only USB 2.0. Luckily, it is still USB-C. Behind that, we'll see the USB-C to headphone jack dongle, which is unfortunate that they got rid of the headphone jack, but luckily it works quite well. The only issue is you only plug it in a specific way. And finally, we'll see the dash charging brick or fast charging brick, depending on what OnePlus rebranded it to. The overall phone has not changed too much. We have the in-screen fingerprint sensor on the front, peeling that off. On the back we have the info sticker, as well as other sort of notices. On the right side we have the alert slider and the power button. On the top we have the microphone hole. On the left side we have the volume rockers, and on the bottom we have the single speaker as well as the USB-C charging port. On the back you'll see the dual camera setup, a regular lens and a telephoto lens, which is a 2x zoom. You'll also see kind of an S-shaped reflection on the back. Unfortunately, the finish is still a fingerprint magnet, but it's very soft to the touch and nice to feel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the full review of the OnePlus 6T. I am using it for at least 3 weeks before I do a full review. That is coming hopefully by the end of this week.